Now let us simplify 1 over 9 plus 2 over 9. Solution: 1 over 9 plus 2 over 9 equals, you draw your division line and then write down the common denominator, 9. Now we perform the arithmetic addition of the numerators. So I have 1 plus 2. This would give us 3 over 9. Now remember what I said about when you have your fraction, you have to still bring it to its lowest term when they have a factor. And the common factor between 3 and 9 is 3. Therefore, we will divide numerator by 3 and also divide the denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore, 1 over 9 plus 2 over 9 would give us 1 over 3. Thank you.